let's see here. Look at this. It is coming down. We got some big ones. Look at that. There's a couple big ones. There's a big one. Oh yeah. Here's, see if I can stay out of all this here. Oh, trying to stay out of it here. Here we go. Here's some down here. Uh-oh. Here comes some big ones again. You can hear them hitting. Holy criminy. I've never seen hail that big, and I'm 40 years old, 39. Holy criminy. That was pretty cool. Seems like it's slowing down, but then it's not. There's hardly any rain, just all hail. Shoot, the gutters can't even handle it. See if I can get a picture of these big ones here. Look at that. Huge. Huge. Okay. Yeah. All hail. Huge. They're bigger than golf balls. TK, May 8th, Monday, 2017. Just getting done with a hailstorm. Lakewood, Colorado. Crazy. That's weather manipulation at its best. And there's the towers, right, one of the new towers right there. Look at that. That's what they just put in. And now, is it a coincidence that we get hail bigger than golf balls here in Lakewood? I've never seen it before. Never. Never. Go out here and grab one of these. It's not bad right now. Look at this. Look at this. There's 3 of them right there. Look at that. This thing's just huge. Definitely bigger than golf balls. Wow. Look at that. Look. It's coming down again. Ugh. Okay, ow, ow. Okay. TK, Lakewood, 3:18 p.m. Monday, May 8th, 2017, in Lakewood, Colorado. And like I was saying, there's the tower that you just put in, and we just came up with these. Never in my life have I seen big ones like this. Where'd it go? Here we go. Look at that. They're all over in the yard. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that thing. That's huge. Okay, signing out.